Welcome back, fellow seekers of knowledge. Today we're going to explore the profound concept that lies at the heart of our journey, and that is the duality in the law of harmony. Now, what do I mean with this? This principle emphasizes the importance of creating alignment in the mind, body, and spirit in order to manifest our desires with ease and grace. From a modern-day alchemist perspective, this topic holds immense significance. Achieving harmony between the mind, body, and spirit allows us to tap into the full potential of our creative powers. When these aspects are in synchronization, we become powerful conduits for manifestation, attracting wealth, riches, and success into our lives. So perhaps let's dive a little bit deeper into this idea. Imagine a scenario where your mind is filled with abundant thoughts of prosperity. Your body is vibrant and healthy, and your spirit is aligned with the divine flow. In this state of harmony, you effortlessly attract financial abundance, effortlessly attract opportunities, and all the resources that you need to create the life that you desire, because you know it's within you. You know how to be resourceful, even if you do not initially have any money or financial backing to start off with. But let's look at the other hand, because if there is disharmony within yourself, if your thoughts are riddled with doubts and fears, if there's a lot of confusion and overwhelm, if your body is weakened by neglect, and your spirit feels disconnected, then, my friend, manifestation is going to be a very, very difficult task. Financial struggles, missed opportunities, and unfulfilled desires may become recurring patterns in your life. The law of harmony teaches us that true wealth and success go beyond monetary riches. It encompasses the balance and the alignment of all aspects of our being. By embracing this principle, we not only attract material abundance, but also experience profound inner fulfillment and peace. Relating to this Hermetic principle of correspondence, we understand that our internal state is reflected in the external world, because as within, so without. The moment that we achieve harmony within ourselves, we align with the natural rhythm of the universe, and in the process create a ripple effect of positive manifestations. The principle of harmony intertwines with other Hermetic principles as well, because we know everything is actually one. So for instance, let's look at the principle of mentalism. By mastering our thoughts and cultivating a positive mindset, we align our mental realm with the universal consciousness, allowing abundance to flow effortlessly. If we look at the principle of vibration, by simply harmonizing our thoughts, our emotions, and our actions with the frequency of abundance, that is going to rise our energetic vibration, attracting corresponding experiences and opportunities. If we look at the principle of cause and effect, by doing that, we're going to recognize that our internal state creates the external outcomes and empower us to take responsibility for our manifestations. By aligning the mind, body, and spirit, we become conscious creators of our reality. Isn't this amazing? So what's your task for today and for this lesson? I want you to take a moment to reflect on the areas of your life where harmony perhaps is lacking. I want you to identify just one action that you can take to bring balance to your thought, physical well-being, and spiritual connection. And then, of course, make that commitment. In other words, commit to implementing this change and observe transformative effect it has on your ability to manifest wealth and success. Now, in conclusion, remember, my friend, that you hold the power to shape your reality. Embrace the duality within the law of harmony, and through the alignment of your mind, body, and spirit, unlock the infinite potential that resides within you. As a modern-day alchemist, you have the ability to transform not only your own life, but also the life of those around you. I want you to keep striving, to keep manifesting, and to become the alchemist of your dreams so that you can make every single dream that you've got a reality. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.